In this video, we will explore the home page of your course and look specifically at how to use the activity feed on your course. So when you're on the landing page for the core, go to My Org Units, select your school, and on your school home page, go to the My Courses widget, and you'll see the courses that you are teaching listed here. So I'm going to go to this course, and this takes me to my course homepage. Across the top here, this is called your nav bar for your course, or your navigation bar. By clicking on either the course home button or your actual course name here, will always take you back to this particular page. If you click on the My Class link here, it'll bring up a drop-down menu of all the tools that are available in your course. Now, please be aware that the Edit Course button and the Class List button are not available to students. Only teachers can see those buttons, but students are able to see the other tools in the course when they click on the My Class link. The next link is called Class Toolkit, and when you click on that, that will bring you to a series of external tools that are either integrated into the core so that you will be able to you click on the link and it passes right through into that particular tool, or it'll take you to the login page for that tool or the home page for that tool. So most of these tools are ministry resources that the ministry pays for Ontario teachers and students to use, and there's a few others that are paid for by our school board for our teachers and students to use in the classroom. The fourth link along here is how-to videos for the course. So if you click on this link, it takes you to, opens another tab that will take you to a page with a link of all sorts of different videos for the core. And we will continue to build this page as we go along. On the home page of your course, there is a visual here that is selected by the system. You are able to choose this image or upload your own image or get rid of it completely, which we will go through in another video. Activity feed is listed right here. We will come back to that in a minute. On the right hand side of the page is the Our Class widget, and this is similar to a news widget if you've used the system in the past, or it works the same as the announcements widget on your course homepage. We will review the use of this widget in another video as well. If you scroll down here, you will see your Google Apps widget. So you can link your GAF account to the page here, so you will get a snapshot of all of your unread emails, your recent calendar events, and your recent Drive events here. I'm using a test account for demonstration purposes here, so I don't have a Google Apps email with my test account, so I can't actually link it up. But all that you would do to link it up is click on this link here and go through the steps. Below that is the course previewer. So you have a list of all public courses here, which is all secondary courses. There's Catholic courses, and then there's all elementary courses. So by clicking on one of these links, this will allow you to access the course content that is developed by the Ministry of Education. So you'll be able to see specific courses. If you're looking at secondary courses or elementary courses, you can look at different packages for different grade levels. And there are several elementary games available there as well that you can have uploaded into your course. If you see some content that you would like in this link and you want that uploaded into your course, then please contact your TRA to submit an e-base request for you to requesting that we upload that content into your course for you. So back now to the activity feed. So the activity feed on your course is similar to an activity feed that you'll see in Google Classroom. So it's a very, very easy way to communicate with your students. So basically this is two-way communication. The teachers can create a post and students can reply to those posts, and other students can see student replies as well. So as a teacher in here, I've posted welcome to grade 8 and a message to students about how this can be used, and then a student has replied here and says, when does the robotics club start? So as a teacher, I have the option to write a comment in here and reply to the students' questions. By clicking on options here, I can edit my own message or I can delete my message. And as a teacher, I also have the option to edit the student's message or delete the student's message here. So if a student has posted something inappropriate, I can just go ahead and delete that so that no one else will be able to see that. Okay, so it's pretty easy to use. If I want to go in and post a message, all that I do is click on the plus or the create a post area, and it brings up this area here. So then I can post in my assignment or my message to students. So normally this would be used for communication, right? Posting announcements, posting reminders, stuff like that. So this particular message I'm putting in here, today's assignments are posted in the R class area at the right. So I've posted a little message over here that has specific links to assignments that the students will be doing and links to a YouTube video that they can watch embedded right in the screen here. Don't forget to fill in the Google Docs linked below before you leave school today to let me know the topic of your geography group assignment. Post any questions here. So if I have this linked, I can access my link a document from my Google Drive here. I can also attach a web link here, or I can upload an activity that's already created in the core here. Okay, so there's lots of different ways. Again, I'm on this test account, so I can't link to my Google Drive here because I don't have a Google Drive link to my test account, but you would be able to do that. You can also create assignments from here by clicking on the assignment button. So you can add a title to create the assignment here, add the instructions for the assignment, you can select a due date for it, and then you can upload the assignment by doing this. Okay. So I'm ready to post this here. Oops, my message here. Post the assignment, and you see it comes up here like this. Okay, so that's the teacher view. That's how easy it is to use the activity feed from a teacher's point of view. So from a student's point of view, so when students log into the core, they land on their school homepage. They select their course from the My Courses widget. Okay, and they'll see the activity feed here. So here's the original message that I posted here. Okay, and when does robotics club start? Now, because this was the actual test student that posted this message, as test student, I can go in and edit my own comment or delete my own comment, but I wouldn't be able to edit or delete anybody else's comment. So you see here as the teacher, the student doesn't have the option to make any edits or delete the teacher's comment. So they also wouldn't have that option to do other students' comments. Okay, as a student, I can go in and write a comment in here to reply to these other messages. Okay, and then here's the other message that I just posted in here about today's assignment. And again, if I had a question about this assignment, I could write a comment in here. So you can see it's very, very simple to use. It's right on the homepage of the course, so the students would hopefully be able to come in and get today's message right on the top of their course here.